Hello from the Cahaba River. My Girl Scout troop is excited to be back for the 2021 virtual Fry-Down. Today we will be making a delicious fish gyro with homemade tzatziki sauce. This easy-to-make sandwich has lettuce, tomato, and feta cheese and is for sure to please the kid in your life. Watch my troop demonstrate, and thanks for supporting the Cahaba River Society.
Faster. You whisk. No, that's how you stir. This is how you whisk.
I am peeling a cucumber for the tzatziki sauce.
I'm cutting tomatoes for the gyro.
I'm cutting the garlic for the tzatziki sauce.
This is hard.
I'm getting the garlic ready for the tzatziki sauce.
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna sprinkle. You guys might want to watch out.
Okay.
I was a girl in the village doing all that. Princess overnight. Now I gotta figure out how to do it right.
I'm getting the fish ready to bake. I'm spinning the lettuce. I'm cutting the red onion for the tzatziki sauce.
I'm adding the Greek yogurt to the tzatziki sauce. I'm chopping up dill for the tzatziki sauce.
Delicious.
I'm adding the sour cream to the tzatziki sauce.
I'm adding the dill.
Oh, we're going to
I'm adding the pepper, and I'm adding the salt. I am adding the lemon to the tzatziki sauce. I'm adding the cucumber. We're adding the red onion and the garlic. I'm very bad at this.
There's a fly.
My name is Ava. Clementine. My name is Penelope and I forgot how to read.
My name is Lucy.
My name is Elsa.
And what troop are you guys?
Junior! Nice. Thanks for the bread, partner. I'm putting fish on my tacos, and that is totally normal to me to be doing everything I say. Here's some yogurt with yogurt on it.
I want some tzatziki sauce.
I don't
This
want
rice
lettuce.
looks good.
What kind of rice is it? I'm not sure, but it's a little yellow. Of course. I need tomatoes. Somebody pass me them. Okay. We are a really nice family at the dinner table. We definitely do not bite. I am all done. I'm gonna put some tomato on mine, even though I don't really like
I need ketchup for my fish.
This is my final product of everything on my plate that we have.
Wow, it looks great. Yes. Feta. Food of the gods. So glorious and cheesy.
Actually, on both sides, the food of the Greek gods.
The Greek gods. The Greek gods.
That is
The food of the Greek gods.
That is
on my sandwich because this is glorious. Okay.
It is. That is a fact.
What
That
about
on both
Greek
sides, the food of the gods.
Okay.
We're just like waiting for our food, you know.
Like we just.
Thing. Yeah. Casual thing.
Is that yours?
Hello from the Cahaba River. My Girl Scout troop is excited to be back. Can we start it?
I am cutting I forgot what it's called.
And what troop are you guys?
233.
Troop keep cooking.
26232.
I don't know.
Junior.
Okay.
Junior.
Yeah.
Start.
My name is Ava.
Who are you?
Hometown. You don't gotta say that.
Okay, then don't.
Ella, mighty fine bread.
Wait, you recorded me? I'm adding the tail.
Oh, we're going to
I'm adding
that
the
my mom
Pepper?
pepper.
Pam.
And I'm adding
Salt.